This morning, there was a bunch of those negative headlines. We are in a macro risk environment. You should never ignore that. Trump can always flip-flop. We were not out of the woods yet. Yes, we were recovering. Yes, we were trading long. Yes, we had a couple of swings. But again, at the end of the day, market still is not immune to the tariffs. So that was a lot of triggers. Pre-market, we were bearish. And the semiconductors were really selling off hard, which took down the market. So basically, it was all day short. None of us in the community were long anything. None of us was looking for the dips. Simply short all day. Either short the pops, watch the curls, short the failed curls. That was the plan. Most of our plays was all short side because when market is heavy, you need to look for the short setups. So you need to use VIX strategy. You need to use Ripster EMA cloud system to stay short all day. We became bearish right here. The Ripster labels, use those labels. They never turn bullish. You want to be long when both are bullish, or at least one is bullish, then you can long the curls. But there was no signal to long. There was this fake curl which failed, and that's actually a short setup. So VIX initially showed weakness. Plan was this: if VIX breaks 17, we will be bullish on the market. But if VIX holds 17, then we will short the market. Simple strategy. And as VIX breaks key pivots to the upside, we will short the key pivots to the downside on the SPY QQQ. Or even if you're trading Nasdaq or S&P futures, you will short it. Initially, I mentioned that we can do the amateur short scalp. So we were shorting the amateur move, but the real move comes in the trend move. And there are a few concepts: VIX concept, pre-market highs, pre-market low concept, and you have to watch the amateur and trend move concept. You can take a trade. If it doesn't work, you get out. We were looking to long because this first candle was amateur candle. Based on this amateur candle, I told the traders to short it. And when SPY started to bounce, QQQ started to bounce, I told the traders, cut your shorts over the cloud, watch VIX 17. That means if VIX breaks down under 17, you cut your shorts. What happened next? SPY rejected the pre-market highs. QQQ failed the clouds. The golden principle is, if the market is not trading over the opening price, pre-market highs or yesterday highs, you should not long it. Mostly, that's an A+ setup. So both cases were bearish. On top of that, Magnificent 7 were bearish. So this was the reject, and this is when I said rejected pre-market highs, QQQ rejected, and you can reshort it, and then we'll use the buys. So you can reshort the market. You should not blindly look at one of your stocks and just say that I want to buy this, because you buy here, you pop here, and then you drop. You lose money. All day you're just losing money. The problem is when you try to buy, then you start revenge trading. You said, oh, maybe this time it bounces. Or you try to revenge trade short with the tiny stop, and then you panic and then you cover. What is your checklist? My checklist: VIX is strong, SPY is trading under 512, SPY is trading under 3450, Mag 7 is weak. I'm not going to long. I don't care because it's not my system. Just looking for a longs when something sold off, you think it's too low, it should bounce. It's not a repeatable strategy. You try to long twice and stop out both times on any pullback. When it actually bounces, you make a little bit, but will still be red. People are going to do this mistake because nothing is too low. We can keep going down. You try to long here, FOMO long here, you bagged on the lotos. My system said no long, so we are not long. You have a no system, that's why you're longing it. How we do it? We use our Ripster EMA cloud system. Make a golden rule. Tell yourself, I'm not going to long anything under 3450 or under 512 clouds. So what market was showing you today was just a bear flags. Bear flag, we go lower. Bear flag, we go lower. See, money saved is a money made. But if you can save the money on day like today, that's big. Use the system. System is free.
Come to trade with Ripster. Join the community at www.tenettradegroup.com.